Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine and enjoying good health. Welcome to online class of English BE. Here we are going to start our exercises from page number 25 and we are going to learn about possessive pronouns. Let's know what are possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership. No apostrophe is needed. For example, the red ball is yours, the green ball is hers and the blue ball is mine. Here in yours and hers, there is no need to put an apostrophe. These are possessive pronouns that show the ownership. The singular pronouns are mine, yours, hers, his. And plural possessive pronouns are ours, yours, theirs. Now let's move towards exercise. Circle the possessive pronouns. Write what the pronouns on. I was sure that the book was hers. Hers is possessive pronoun and this pronoun owns book. This pencil is mine, but Tim can't find his. Here mine and his are possessive pronouns and they own pencil. Is this skateboard yours or Jack's? Here yours is possessive pronoun and they are talking about skateboard. Tilly and Sammy said that the crayons were theirs. Theirs is possessive pronoun and theirs show the ownership of crayons. The red ball is mine, yours is yellow. Here mine and yours are possessive pronouns and they own ball. This apple is his, but Jane gave hers to her sister. Here hers is possessive pronoun and this apple and his is also possessive pronoun and they own apple. Next exercise is add a suitable possessive pronoun. If this hat is yours, please come and get it. The bird is his, so he should look after it. I'll put my desk here and you can put yours there. This bike is mine and I ride it every day. The toys are theirs, so they should put them away. This pencil is hers, he lent his to Billy. Third exercise is write 5 sentences, include one of the possessive pronouns below in each sentence. The possessive pronouns that have been given here are mine, hers, yours, his, theirs. I have made these sentences. Let's read them. But if you want to make your sentences, you can. The first one is this diary is mine. Mine is possessive pronoun. The second one is she gave hers to her friend. Here hers is possessive pronoun. Take the books that are yours. Yours is possessive pronoun. The next we are going to use his. I finished my lunch, but he gave his to Ali. And the last one is theirs. Cards were returned to the students which were theirs. Let's read this information. Possessive pronouns show ownership but never need an apostrophe. Come to the next page. Here we are going to learn about pronoun reference. Pronouns usually refer back to a previous noun. This is called pronoun reference. For example, I have a dog. He is called Jasper. Here he has been used for dog. Jane has a cat. She calls it Sooty. Here she refers to Jane and it refers to cat. This is called pronoun reference. The exercise is some pronouns are in bold. Underline the nouns or noun groups they refer back to. Enid Blyton was a famous author. She wrote many exciting books for children. Here she refers to Enid Blyton. The emu is a flightlet bird. It stands 2 meters tall and has soft feathers. It refers to the emu. Lime Adams won the City to Surf road race in 2011. He ran it in 41 minutes. He refers to Lime Adams. Now do the rest 2 sentences yourself. Pronouns can also refer forward to a noun. For example, may I go swimming, Mom? Barry asked. Here, I refers to Barry. Barry has used I for himself. I have been waiting for you for 10 minutes, Bella. Here, you has been used for Bella. Use arrows to connect the pronouns to the nouns they refer to. You have to make arrows to show to which noun they refer. Would you like me to come with you? Peter asked Gemma. Here, you refers to Peter and me refers to Gemma. May I join you and your mates? Jason asked Zeb. Here I has been used for Jason and you has been used for Zeb. I think it is too far for you to walk, Mom said to Ellie. Here I has been used for Mom and you has been used for Ellie. The next sentence is, are we going fishing tomorrow? Terry asked Tom. Here we has been used for both Terry and Tom. Do you want to play footy with me? Darren asked Joe. Here you has been used for Joe and me has been used for Darren. Next exercise is add the missing pronouns in this extract from The Sword of Honor. Cassie stopped suddenly and grabbed Tor's arm. Tor, you have forgotten our weapons. Never mind, Cassie. Tor pats the scabbard at his side. I have my dagger. And I have my rope wine, grins Cha. Cassie scowls at them. Don't be silly. We need real weapons. I will go back and get them, says Cha. It won't take me long. Tor is uncertain. Cha turns to Cassie. Please, Cass, I'll be back before you even miss me. Cassie smiles thinly. Miss you? Don't think so. You pest? Now let's read the information here. Pronouns refer back and forward to nouns in text. They tie ideas together and help reader make meaning. Now solve these exercises and learn them.